What is going on, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Right now I am here at this storage unit where I'm keeping my brand new kayak. So right behind this door is my brand new kayak. I've been wanting this kayak for like over a year. So today I'm going to be revealing my new kayak and how I saved almost $1,000 on it. Honestly insane. So without further ado, here is my yak. Alright, so how did I save over $1,000 on this kayak? Well, it started at the beginning of this month. I was trying to get the kayak at the beginning of this month. It's currently the 28th, and I'm barely gonna take it out today. So I ordered it online on Dick's Sporting Goods for the amount of $3,453, but I also ordered a paddle with it, so that was like 50 bucks. So set that aside. I ordered it online. It got delivered, well, kind of. It was late, so I went to go pick it up in San Antonio. Drove 3 hours, came back. They had a huge crack on the side. Well, I called them. They came, picked it up. A few days later, I returned it. I ordered another one. They gave me free shipping and a $500 discount. When I ordered that one, I got an email saying that my order was canceled. Here's a picture of that. Of course, I was upset. I called the store. They didn't have them online anymore. They weren't shipping them out, which is honestly insane, because why would they even place the order in the first place? I went all the way to Dallas, drove 6 hours to pick up this kayak. But I talked to the manager and he gave me $800 off on the original price, which is a lot. So after taxes and stuff, I ended up paying like $2,300 for this kayak. Honestly insane. I think I lucked out on it. Like I said, I've been wanting this kayak for over a year. Here it is, the new Old Town Sportsman 106, powered by Makota. We're gonna test it out today for the first time. Y'all are gonna see me test it out for the first time. Has stickers, it's registered. It was a hassle getting this kayak. It was a hassle just getting to this point. So hopefully y'all enjoyed today's video. But without further ado, let's get out there. This feels so weird. I am out here on the water, y'all. This is like, holy crap. This is, what the heck? Oh my gosh, this is like a whole different experience of kayaking. All right, I'll give y'all kind of like a look around right now. This thing is awesome. I'm not doing any paddling or anything. I mean, this is a top speed. It's not super fast, but I mean, it's a game changer. Like, it lets you rig up while you're on the way to the spot. Let's go ahead and just chill out real quick and test the standing up. My other kayak was like horrible standing up, so I mean, let's try it out with this yak. Oh geez, this is awesome. I mean, it's still a little like, I think I could catch a fish like this, to be honest. It is, oh, it's pretty stable, guys. This thing is pretty awesome. This is so trippy. Like, I didn't grow up with nice things or anything like that. Like, I'm so blessed to like have a yak like this. This is awesome. Like, I'm gonna fish so many tournaments with this. I mean, look at that. I can just like cast right there. And you can even go backwards in this thing. Like, that's pretty cool. I've been wanting this yak for a year and I am glad I made this purchase. This is freaking insane. All right, so let's talk about what this kayak has. So it has a lot of storage. I put my throwable device on the front and my life jacket. I had to squeeze it in there a little bit, but I managed to make it in there. It has rudders right here, so these rudders can control whether you go left to right. The handle is right here, so take off, reverse right here. The motor is right here in the middle center console, so it's seamless. Like, it's insane. You got a lot of storage on this yak, so you have these compartments right here. So for anything that you want to put in there, you could probably put your phone in there, which I wouldn't advise, but you could put your phone in there. You can put something in there. I have this portable charger. I can like stick it in there if I wanted to. Honestly insane how well designed this kayak is. We have more storage here where I'm going to put my baits. I have my pliers there, of course. Another storage right here, kind of, where you can just put your tackle box. Some more indents where you can put stuff. cup holders on each side. In the back you have a lot of storage. I have my Yeti there, my backpack with all my tackle, one rod right here on the left hand side and one rod right here on the right hand side. You also get a holder for your paddle. In and of itself, pretty cool. You have another rod holder, a front facing rod holder right here in case you want to put another rod. You have these tracks so you can put accessories like a GoPro, another rod holder, a cleat, whatever you want. This thing is just next level. You get this plug right here or key just in case you fall out. Strap it down to yourself and it pops out and it kills the motor. And you also get like kind of like an area where you can put this right here, your tray for measuring fish. Also, when you want to measure fish, there's a specific catch tray holder right there, so you can just kind of slide it in there. My baits are in the way, of course. I might just cross the lake, to be honest, because this is awesome, just to go put it out to the test and just see what it can do, honestly. So let's catch a fish on it first, see what we can make happen. This thing is awesome. That was a terrible cast, but let's get to it, guys. I'm honestly like super psyched for this kayak. Oh, I thought I had a fish. I have a fish on. I have a fish. Okay. Get the net. I don't think he's hooked that good. First fish on the yak. Let's freaking go. I thought I had him, but I wasn't sure. Insane. We caught one already. First fish of the day on the new yak. Not a giant. I will take it nevertheless. There he goes. I mean, didn't even like rock the yak. Nothing. We just started the freaking video. I am blabbering. Let's get to catching more fish and see how this thing performs. I got a fish on. Oh my gosh, this motor. I'm still learning this, guys. I didn't want to hit the cove. Get in here, buddy. Second fish of the day, everyone. He is bleeding a little bit, so I'm gonna go ahead and let him go. Swam right off. Kind of gut hooked that fish, but he'll survive. I got the hook out. On any normal day with my other yak, conditions like this, like, wouldn't even be able to fish it. Insane, like how much this kayak helps out, like in windy situations. Like, you might not still be able to make a lot of casts because of the wind and such, but I mean, you can at least try. Like right here, I'm like kind of missing all this, but you can catch fish like that, you know. I mean, it's non-stop, like that you can do like whatever you want in this yak. So like right now this fish is flopping around and I have my trolling motor set to get out of the way while I try and manage this fish. All right, well, I got the hook out. If he swims off, then I'll let him go. He swam off, so if he floats back up, I'm gonna give him to that fisherman across. Maybe he's fishing to catch some food, some dinner for tonight. That's a fish right there. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. Look at the net. Get in here, buddy. Alrighty, in the net. Biggest fish of the day so far. I will take it. Across the lake. I haven't caught a fish across the lake on my yak in maybe a year or so. Fourth fish of the day, second fish of the, I mean third fish of the day. I don't even know what fish we're on. I've been so focused on the kayak, like I don't know. I will take it. Not a bad fish. Gonna go ahead and release them back in the water. I just got hit good. That's another fish right there. Okay, buddy. Another decent fish. I am slaying them in this little cove. Jeez, and I think I gut hooked them too. All right, got the hook out. Fourth fish of the day. I don't even know. I can't even talk. Little dinker. Let him go. but feisty. Oh my gosh, this thing is awesome. Literally catching fish today. Usually like on a good day I'll catch 8. Maybe we'll limit that out today. This little cove is pretty good, not bad. That's a fish right there. That's a nice one. Oh, I think I gut hooked him. Oh jeez. Get in here, buddy. Oh, I didn't gut hook him. Nice. All right, just a quick release will be good because I'm coming up on a good point right here. Not bad. Decent little fish, not a giant. Back in the water he goes. That's a fish right there. Get in here, buddy. Have y'all noticed that I say that like with every fish? I say, get in here, buddy. I like this yak. I like it a lot. I mean, I'm having a blast out here today. This is maybe 7th fish of the day. I don't even know. Y'all guys know. I don't. Little dinker. Back in the water he goes. Cool. Another fish for the books. What books? No clue. All right, folks. Let's test out how fast this kayak can go. I'm in a little bit of a calm cove, but I'm gonna have the wind help me out a bit. So I'm just turning around right now. I'm going 1 mile an hour, not even full throttle. Kind of straightening ourselves out with the wind. 2 miles an hour. Fishing has kind of slowed down, so I'm gonna kind of mess with it. But I am so far from the other side, so I'm gonna head back right now. I'm just gonna fish this little area and then head back. I'm still full battery, I think, but all right, let's test it out. Full throttle. Here we go. Straight ahead. 3 miles an hour. 4. Can reach 5. We're going 4 miles an hour. Right there. I will take it. That's not bad. 4 miles an hour. That's pretty quick for a little kayak. I will take it. Like it's pretty awesome. Better than paddling for sure. So there's a little speed test for those of y'all who are wondering. I was wondering as well. So they say 3 to 5 miles an hour. I'm sure on a calm day or when the wind's like really with you, I'm sure you'll hit 5 miles an hour easily. I was sure that we were gonna hit it, but we didn't. We should be good to get across the lake. I don't know if y'all can see that wall on my left hand side, that dark wall all the way over there. That's where I have to be. So we're gonna hit it full throttle and see if we can get pretty far. I don't know. It is kind of windy. I mean, wind does affect the battery life. I mean, I'll keep an eye on the battery, see where we're at here and there, and if it gets kind of low, I'll kind of slow down once I'm out more on the lake. But if I have any trouble, I'll start recording. Let's see how it does. Let's cross the lake once again. All right, folks, that is going to effectively end today's video. I'm getting on the highway right now. I did not want to film an outro outside. It's currently 12 o'clock, 12:30. I got off the water a little late. I wasn't fishing for like the last hour. I was just kind of showing my friends the kayak, the new kayak. Yeah, it's been a long process trying to get this kayak. We're finally here. I mean, we made it happen. We got the kayak. It works awesome. We crossed the lake. I honestly think I still have like more than 75% battery on that thing, and I used it all morning, so I think we can go further. I want to test it out, truly test it out back at home, because I don't know if that battery meter is too accurate, but I'm going to test it out at home and see what it reads. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. We made it happen. Hopefully y'all like the new yak. Let me know down in the comments below. I think it's pretty cool. Let me know if it's a little pricey or not for y'all. Like I said, I paid $2,300 for it. I'm just putting it out there just to let y'all know. They go for $3,000, so let me know if it's worth it or if it's pricey. I honestly think it's worth it. I hate the wind. I do a lot of fishing. I can cross the lake no problem, back and forth, and it just saves a lot of time and energy. So to me, I think it's worth it, but I don't know. Let me know down in the comments below. But that being said, enough rambling, enough talking. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. Drop a like on the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. With that being said, I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.